For a color invert shader that we can overlay our game, first add a color rect by pressing the plus, typing color rect and clicking create. Then select the material drop-down, create a new shader material, then create a new shader by naming it and pressing create. First, we establish the shader type. Canvas item means that the shader will be used for 2D elements such as our color rect. Next, we will establish the screen's texture. Hint screen texture will grab the contents on the screen, and filter linear mip map will ensure the texture is sampled with linear filtering with mip maps for a smoother result. We will then use the built-in fragment function, which applies its code to each pixel of the shader. We will then establish a variable for the inverted color. This will be a vec4, so it grabs the RGBA values from the screen. We can find the screen's RGBA values by using this texture function and passing the screen texture and screen UV. Screen texture is self-explanatory, and screen UV will provide normalized values of screen coordinates. Finally, we will set the built-in color variable, which represents the final state of the shader, to a vec4 of 1.0 minus the inverted color variable .rgb. Then add invert color.a. The 1.0 will create the invert effect as it will reverse the color values from the screen, and we will make the a value separate as to not affect the transparency.